In 2005, Estonia became the first country in the world to use internet-based voting in national elections. During the last parliamentary elections, more than 40% of the votes were cast online. How is security ensured in Estonia's i-voting? By its nature, i-voting is like mail-in absentee voting outside your electoral district. The first thing you need to do is identify yourself so that your right to vote can be determined. When i-voting, the person identifies themselves using the voter application and either their ID card or mobile ID. The app then displays the candidates they can vote for. I-voting uses what is essentially a two-envelope system. The filled-in ballot paper is placed in an empty envelope, which then is placed inside a named envelope. The voter's choice is saved in a container file, which is signed and encrypted with their digital signature. The vote is then forwarded to the server of the state electoral office, where after the right to vote has been checked, the signature is removed to maintain voter confidentiality. The Electoral Committee then counts the anonymous I-votes. Certificates are issued at each stage of the process, which can be later used to audit the integrity of the data. The handling process of I-votes is thoroughly documented, including being filmed. Another key security measure in the voting process is that every voter can change their vote until the end of the online voting period. As such, there is no point trying to buy I-votes. Security in I-voting is ensured by the combination of several security measures. That way, we can be sure that democratic processes are transparent and trustworthy.